Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today is January 21, 2025. Batay now is 12:01 p.m. We will go into Walmart to play games. So no power today from 9 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. So it's hot here. So let's go. We're going to Walmart now. Here we are in Walmart. So lalagad na tayo. Man inasal. So waiting for the order. My lunch is chicken inasal and sisig. Soft drinks. Let's try. So, tapos na tayo kumain. Pupunta na tayo sa World of Fun. World of Fun.
Welcome to World of
Are the tokens.
As autumn leaves start to fall, oh, will you cling to me, my love? If my simple words are just not enough, let me start by saying you're all I want.
Prizes. So I win. So I need to rest first. Then is your lemon bar. This is my favorite potato corner. Okay, so natapos na laro. So we're leaving now. We're going home na. Nakasundo tayo si Bunso. sa BCCI. So we're home na. Galing tayo sa Walter Mart. That is for all to this, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.